How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today I'm going to be bringing you an update on the Vasil Hard Fork for ADA Cardano. It looks like all systems are a go. We have the set date, and we have all the necessary requirements met to actually start the hard fork. Without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into a tweet from Charles Hoskinson and Input Output themselves. This should provide us with all the information we need. From here, let's just dive in. Vasil upgrade, date confirmed. Following the successful completion and extensive testing of all core components, plus confirming community readiness, we, along with Cardano Foundation, can today announce the 22nd of September for the Vasil upgrade on the Cardano mainnet. Vasil is the most significant Cardano upgrade to date, bringing increased network capacity and lower cost transactions. The upgrade will also bring enhancement to Plutus to enable devs to create more powerful and efficient blockchain-based applications. We've been tracking well against all three metrics we and Cardano Foundation set for the launch. 75% of mainnet blocks being created on the Vasil node candidate 1.35.3. Approximately 25 exchanges upgraded, which is about 80% of ADA liquidity, and the top 10 developer apps by TVL confirming readiness. So there we have it. September 22nd, we are getting the Vasil hard fork. And now I just want to go into some technical analysis and talk about what this could possibly mean for the price on that date. First off, let's just check out the charts for ADA. I'm looking at the tradeconfident.io website, checking out ADA USD, the top and bottom finder metric. This was last updated September 2nd, which was this morning. We have two buy signals recently. One of them had a green bar to confirm, the other one does not. Currently, I would hesitate to buy on anything just based on the lack of confirmation from a technical analysis perspective. You can decide for yourself if you'd want to trade, especially based on the information I'm about to give you about the Vasil hard fork and what price action could mean for that. Checking out the TradingView charts, I'm on ADA USD with the 4-hour time frame. Coinbase is the exchange, and my signal strength is just set to the default 10. Now, it looks like we had two buy signals in the last couple of days. Both of them looked pretty good and would have met that 4% profit. So if anyone took those trades, congrats on those wins. Opening up these two indicators too, just to provide a little bit of extra analysis, it looks like we do have a decent confirmation from the trend exhaustion here. It just barely touched into the outer bottom red sections. If you want to learn how to use all three of these indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, trend exhaustion, and price versus well money flow, there will be a link in the description for a video on how to do that. So be sure to check that out if you're wanting to learn. In addition to this, the price versus well money flow wasn't terribly low on its chart. It was below the halfway point. So this is like an okay trade right here just based on this metric alone. But it does seem like the trade would have won at this point, so that's pretty good. Same goes for this one. The trend exhaustion was in the inner bottom red section, which isn't as good of a trade. The price versus well money flow was on its way up and finally peaked right at this sell signal, exact same candle, so that's great to see as well. Overall, based on the trend exhaustion, the position of that right now, we could see a pretty strong move down. If you look right here, we're also riding this midline right here. It means that essentially that we're just trading sideways. For those that don't know, if the price structure is below the blue middle line, it means we're in a downtrend, and if it's above the blue line, we're in an uptrend. Because it's kind of on the line itself, right now we're just trading sideways. We're trying really hard to get above and hit that uptrend, but we just haven't been able to find that momentum, so we may actually continue back down, especially as seeing this big red candle here. Now let's talk about where the price could go after the Vasil hard fork. The immediate one to look for, especially just because it's an upgrade, a lot of people are going to be thinking that it's going to pump the price. If it does move up, the first place to look is at about 55 cents, right at about this line. This is because of the major support structure, major resistance structure right about here. There is another one at 53 cents, but I do think it'll probably fall within 53 to say about 60 cents. Somewhere in those ranges along here. That's simply because of those two really strong resistances on these price structures. Now, let's take a look at a bearish example, because if we look at previous Cardano upgrade history, it looks like the last one was actually Alonzo. That was the name of the last upgrade, and I'm going to switch to the daily time frame real quick. We got to scroll a little bit far back in history here to almost exactly a year ago, September 12th, 2021. This was the date of the last hard fork. It started on September 12th and then promptly within just over a week, 9 days, fell by 24%. Now, granted, this was almost immediately after one of the largest all-time highs for Cardano, but it's still a downtrend. It still seemed to be an instance of selling the news. Buying the rumor, selling the news is a really common practice in crypto. And a lot of people will find that they're like really excited. Oh, this news came out, I'm going to buy because it's super bullish. But what actually ends up happening is people that have been in the market for a long time kind of are aware of this. And what they're going to do is take advantage of those people that are buying in on the news. They're going to take advantage of that price pump. They're going to sell high, and that's going to bring the price back down, where they will then buy back lower again. This is what a lot of smart money does. This is what institutions do. So please be careful of anything like this. A lot of people will be buying the rumor and selling the news. We will keep everyone updated as we get closer to the Vasil Hard Fork, what it could look like. But I just wanted to keep everyone updated on that. I wanted everyone to be aware of the two possible scenarios. Again, it's between, if we go up, it's probably going to be between 53 to 60 cents. And if we fall, it could very well be another 20% drop, especially after this current bear market. We've been seeing a lot of rough stuff going on. I just noticed this was in here. If this ever happens to you, you can grab the whole thing and just bring it back up to the chart and it'll fix it. So I'm not going to edit this out just because it's an important thing to know. Anyways, if it does fall down, we got to look for previous structures. As of right now, at least on Coinbase, it does not look like Coinbase has the previous pricing structures to be able to look that far back. So what we're going to do is actually look at Binance for previous resistances. So right here, we can see where the current price is. That is just about the lowest we are at on support structures. So we're going to have to look way back here, back into January of 2021 to look for the next support structures. Let's zoom out a little bit. So the next structure support is 38 cents, followed by 27 cents, and followed by 18 cents. I don't think it will reach 18 cents. If it does, I'm personally going to be probably buying a lot of it because that's just an incredible price. And I personally do believe that Cardano will be a really strong crypto in the future. It's already performing really well now, especially compared to a lot of other coins. I just really like how Cardano operates. I really like that they do their best to make everything work before releasing it. I do think that 27 cents to 38 cents would be a reasonable range to fall to if there is a buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal with the Vasil Hard Fork. So there we go. If we do buy the rumor, sell the news, I'm thinking 28 to 38 cents. If it's a pump on the news, I think that 50 cents to 60 cents would be a reasonable estimate for the price. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Just to sum it up, we have the Vasil Hard Fork coming September 22nd. We could see a buy the rumor, sell the news type deal, which would bring us down to about 28 to 38 cents. Or we could see a pump on the news. I think the buy the rumor, sell the news is more likely, but if we do pump, I think 50 to 60 cents is going to be a reasonable estimate. Now, if you liked the tools that you saw in this video, if you want to get access to the TC top and bottom finder, trend exhaustion, and price versus well money flow, what you're going to want to do is head to the indicator page on the tradeconfident.io website. The link is in the description for you, so you don't have to go searching for it. All you're going to have to do is click on this link. It'll bring you to the TC top and bottom finder, but what I actually recommend first is snagging the bundle pack. What this will do is give you a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, which means that you can actually get all 11 trade confident indicators for just the price of the TC top and bottom finder alone. That is the absolute best deal, and you will gain access to 11 extremely powerful indicators that we personally use for our trading. Purchase of indicators is a lifetime access and one-time payment, so you buy once, cry once, and it is all yours. You don't have to worry about it. And you get full dedicated email support from Travis, Josh, and myself. All of us are dedicated to helping everyone get the best trades they can. We're all just trying to make money here, and we want you guys to make money too. If you want to try out our membership and get access to trade calls, masterclasses, and much, much more, you're just going to head over to another link in the description. It'll be the one labeled metrics. You're going to check out our scalping record. We have beat the S&P 500 yearly average by 440% in just 3 months. We're doing incredible with scalping, especially during a bear market with long trades. So if you want to get started, you're going to watch our strategy video here and see if it works and aligns with your trading style. Then you're going to grab a membership at this link. It's $75 a month, and you get access to all trade calls, masterclass courses, community chats, and live coaching every single month. Last step, you're going to join the Telegram just to make sure you get all the necessary alerts for trades and metrics and any other company announcements like indicator updates or anything like that. With that in mind, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We provide crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.